Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Paris. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notifications. Today I have with me Tan, because he's here to protect me, and I hate feeling like I'm alone, you know? So usually I would bring like Twizzler or something, or a friend or whatever, but Twizzler I wake her up too often, so I think I should give her like a little bit of a break and let her sleep in this time. So it is 3 in the morning, and I'm still in shock, guys, because, well, so actually maybe you should just see this clip and you'll see what I'm talking about. So check it out.
Hello?
Hi, can I get the Yoda Happy Meal, please?
Sure, get there, please.
Alright, thanks. That's so weird. I swear someone's here. Like, they answered. I'm kind of creeped out. Hello? Somebody here? The fuck? But someone answered. Maybe I should get out of here. Like, how many times has crazy stuff happened? I just want to leave, guys. I can't do this. It's crazy. Yeah, okay. Oh, someone's speeding off. Like, who's that? The fuck? I get out of here. Yeah, so guys, after you check the clip, now you know why I'm a little, like, annoyed. Because I did go to, like, McDonald's at 3 in the morning, and it wasn't like too long ago, and wow, like, I'm in shock because I literally tried to get myself like a Happy Meal, like a Yoda Happy Meal. And if you guys have already seen the video, you know that like Yoda like attacked me. I mean, all I did was try to cut him open and see what's inside, you know, and he just went like overreaction, ballistic, you know. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call up like McDonald's and see if somebody answers, because earlier when I did go there, like, I ordered a Happy Meal, I put in my order, and nobody was there, and it looked like it was closed, but it was open because I heard voices and somebody took my order. But I swear, I feel like somebody was watching me too at the same time. So in all honesty, I guess it was kind of on me, because I don't know, like, going there at 3 in the morning, I know crazy things happened, and I still decided to do that. So let me just look for the number at like where I went to, like the McDonald's location I went to, and see if somebody can help me out and I can get to the bottom of this. So one sec. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay, so here's a number, and I'm calling it right now.
Hello?
Hello? Hi, are you guys open?
Yes, we are.
I came there and I made an order, like I placed an order, and somebody answered, but when like when I got to the window, your restaurant looked closed. Are you sure you're open?
Yes, we are.
Okay, I placed an order and nobody came, but I'm gonna send you like my address if you need it, because I didn't do this through Uber Eats or whatever.
It's okay. We know where you live.
How long will it take?
Not too long, 3 minutes.
Okay. Why does your voice sound funny?
Not too long, 3 minutes.
Oh my god. Guys, so basically what happened was I just reached somebody, as you can tell, and they hung up on me when I was like, why does your voice sound funny? I'm a little suspicious about this, kind of worried. I mean, I did feel like somebody was watching me, so I did kind of like drive like away really fast or as fast as I could, you know, and I tried to be careful. And I don't know, I felt like somebody was watching me. Do you guys ever get that weird feeling somebody's watching you and then it's like you look and nobody's there? That's the feeling I got. Oh, the doorbell. Do you think it's my order? Okay, guys, I'm gonna check because legit, like, that was pretty fast. I'm not complaining. And maybe I should stay here if I don't come back. Just come back for me. I don't know. Ooh, I'm just gonna put him right here.
Okay, guys. It might be a mistake. But honestly, it's my food, you know. And I want it. What's that sound? Sounds like somebody's pulling up. Oh my god. I'm kind of scared. That's crazy. Who is that? The frack? Did he just pull out of my... I don't know if he pulled out of my driveway or not, but I'm kind of worried. I don't see anything or anybody. Should I go out there? Should I check? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go see. I have to investigate. I'm gonna close my door. Make sure nobody or nothing comes in. Why is there so many people around? This is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna hide. So I'm hiding. It's going pretty fast. I really hate like investigating. Okay. Maybe it's on my car. I have to go real quick. Or like last time it was on my car. The frack? Okay, it could be that. I really hate being out at night. I need to bring peeps with me. It looks like a Happy Meal of some sort. Kind of fuzzy. I'm gonna go check this out inside. Okay. I'm gonna go, guys. And I'll open up and see what's inside in a minute. I hope you weren't too scared. I'm just gonna sit you down here. Okay, guys, it was so cold. And I waited a long time, but we did it. We made progress. Yay, Happy Meal. Let's see what's in this Happy Meal. Okay, I'm really scared. I heard another doorbell, that's why I'm really nervous. Okay, do you want the pillow? Here, I just want to open this up. There was like so many napkins in here. Ooh, what's this? Oh my goodness, guys, it looks like a yogurt. I finally got food in this Happy Meal. I just don't know how to open it. It happens. It's me. Oh my god, it's so good. I love yogurt. Yum. What else do I have in here? Oh my god, guys. They really delivered. This looks like nuggets. It smells so fresh. Oh my god. Yes, guys. Yes. Oh, I thought I didn't get a sauce in there. It's so crowded. There's so many like napkins, guys. Ooh, hot mustard. I don't think I've ever had hot mustard before. I love mustard. Okay, let me just try this. Wow, it's so good. I thought I heard something, but I totally heard wrong. Oh my god.
There's no toy. What is this, guys? The frack? Is that an egg? Guys, there's eggs in my Happy Meal. Why are there eggs? And there's another one. What is? Wait. I'm hearing a doorbell. Is that Yoda? This looks like, cause I know like in Mandalorian, like that little Yoda creature, like he came in. Is he at my door? I don't want him lured here. Okay. You know what? I'm exaggerating. I'm overthinking it. It's not him. I'm just gonna go to my door. I'm gonna see why there's no toy and why there's like eggs in my Happy Meal, and it's gonna be fun, okay? It's gonna be fine, girl. You got this.
Okay, I'm so scared. Gosh. I have to unlock my door. I'm not ditzy, guys. I'm just like, you know, out of it. It's cold. Okay. I don't know, like, what kind of joke is this? Woo, I almost fell. But just to make sure I don't see anything. What's going on? What's the, ah! Oh my god, this is a great creature. Yoda, get out. Get out of here. Oh my god, I got here. That's crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay guys, I'm so scared. I think Yoda sensed like my eggs or something, and he was out to like get me or get them or take my Happy Meal or something. I think it was him. It had to be him. Like he was one watching me when I went for like my Happy Meal or something. I don't even know. All I know is that he tried to break into my house. That's crazy, guys. So don't order a Happy Meal at 3 a.m. because you never know who or what is like lurking around ready to just like attack you and steal like your food. Paris, why I keep doing this? Anyway, what do I do? Should I just like call my friend and see if like, you know, like I can just chill there for a bit, stay inside for a bit? I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if it's safe for me to even go outside. All I know, guys, is that I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. And make sure you hit that subscribe and like button and share or whatever. Thanks for supporting the channel. Paristas out.